Hi guys, welcome back to our class. Today we're going to do another reading skills, which is contextual clues. Now look at two of these sentences. Sentence A, Tom sits by the bank to fish every afternoon. Sentence B, Tom goes to the bank every week to get some money. Does the word bank have the same meaning for both sentences? If you say no, how can you tell that they carry different meanings? The safest way is to look at the context by which the word bank is being used. Let's look at sentence A. Tom sits by the bank to fish every afternoon. The clue in this sentence is to fish. People normally fish where there is water, so it is safe to say that the word bank refers to the side of a river or by the river. In sentence B, Tom goes to the bank every week to get some money. And the clue here is the word money. People normally go to a building or office space to make some money transaction. So it is safe to say that bank refers to a financial institution. So by now, you can guess that contextual clues is a reading skill that is used to guess the meaning of a word based on the context. Now, we need this skill because we don't always have our dictionary with us at all times. From the example sentences, we know that some words may have more than one meanings. So it is very important to see the clues in the sentence. Most cases, we might have to see the sentence that is before it and the sentence that comes after it to confirm our guess. Now, when we look at the types of questions that we usually get, there are two ways to attempt this question. One is a one-word replacement or a one-word equivalent. And the other method is to give a definition. Now let's look at how we attempt one-word replacement. When we do this kind of question, we first have to determine the part of speech for that word, whether it's a noun, a verb. If it's a verb, whether it's in the present or in the continuous or in the past. Next, we need to determine whether this word is in a singular form or a plural form. Then we think of options. We can have one or maybe more than one. And finally, we put that new word in the original sentence to test it out. Now, I usually tell you that English is a touchy-feely language. If it feels right, if it sounds right, then you're probably right. Let's look at this example. Many students feel that coming to class on time is very difficult. So the word that is being underlined is difficult. So we want to determine the first thing, which is part of speech. The word difficult is an adjective. Is it used as singular or plural? Well, there's no singular or plural form for an adjective. So let's think of options. If you look at your dictionary, you would have words such as killer, back-breaking, hard, problematic, challenging, tough. So the fourth thing for us to do is to choose one of these words and put it in the sentence. So which of the word is the most suitable? Let's look at option 1. Many students feel that coming to class on time is very killer. Option 2. Many students feel that coming to class on time is very hard. What do you think? Next, we're going to look at using definition for contextual clues. When it comes to definition, you don't have to worry about parts of speech, singular, plural, or writing the whole definition into the sentence. You can write the definition using your own words, or you can even look up your English dictionary to get the definition. But one of the common mistakes that students make is that they usually take the first definition they see in the dictionary, or sometimes they only copy part of the dictionary. Remember, some words have more than one meaning, so you need to look at the context to determine whether or not the meaning fits. And writing half of the definition is not the full definition. Let's look at example 2. Students always complain about the price of the food in the cafeteria. So which definition is correct? So we look at the word complain. So the first one is to make dissatisfaction known to someone. The second option is don't like. And the third one is to express discontent. Now, one thing for sure when it comes to definition, we can generally guess that whether or not this is positive or negative. And so from the word complain, we know that it's something negative. So we look at all the other options. Which one do you think is the most suitable? So I have some activities for you to do. Now, the thing that you need to do for this one is identify the same words, identify the words that has the same meaning as the bolded words. So you can see in each of the sentence, there is one word or a phrase that has same meaning as the one that is being bolded. So you can pause this video and try to look for the answer. Once you're done, you can click play and go to the next activity. In this activity, you need to use contextual clues to get the meaning of the underlying words. So you can either use one word replacement or you can use a definition. Pause this video and then try it out. Okay, that's all for today. I hope it's clear. Bye.